We condemn conspiracy. We condemn conspiracy. We condemn conspiracy. We condemn conspiracy. Long live Student Union! Long live Student Union! Long live Student Union! We demand justice! We demand justice! Islam! Islam! NEHU! Islam! NEHU! Islam! NEHU! We demand justice! We demand justice! Long live NEHU! Victims not alive and nobody! 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 Illegal arrest! We condemn! 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 Illegal arrest!
No, the reason is like this, because see, when the police information was that, there may be some kind of reaction, some kind of law and order. That, from the police side, they said that we have to be well prepared in case if there is any kind of reaction, as I said to you, and especially because it is in the campus, and the campus of NEHU, it's a huge campus over there. So that on the basis of that, then the police was ready, and then they were there inside. But ultimately, after having a meeting with the in charge of the NEHU campus, ultimately it was decided that the police force should be withdrawn.